Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Capresso Impressa F7 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it was leaking a lot of water, and that was because this flow regulator that you see right here was leaking water through this part. So as soon as water was passing through here, it was just leaking all over the place, leaking on the right side of the machine, and just making a huge mess in that area. Um, we also did a tune-up on this machine, which we had to go inside the machine itself. This is part of the insides, this is part of the brew group, some of the internal parts of it, and we had to go clean everything inside. um, Once we did that, we also cleaned the grinder. The grinder needed a little bit of maintenance as well. It had a lot of coffee buildup. We also found a little bit of mold inside, so we were able to just clean it and make sure it's nice and clear out of all coffee and ready to grind. We also had to clean the spouts, disassemble the entire thing inside. There was a lot of coffee buildup in these ones, so we had to go in there, disassemble it, deep clean it, run a bunch of cleaning coffee cleaner through the spouts themselves. We went inside, serviced the brew unit, lubricated, replaced the O-rings. We did a good cleaning of this espresso machine, as this machine definitely needed it. We cleaned everything inside, and now it's ready to go. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. We are using our test coffee, and we are using a mild profile of the machine. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent color and good crema as well. Even though we are using our test coffee. Hot water, as you can see. We need to put more water in the tank. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the one, working well. We can increase or decrease the quantity of water that we want through here. It was dispensing 1 ounce. Now we just told it to dispense 1.5, so you can choose how much water you want through here. Now we're gonna be testing the steamer function of this machine. In order for this machine to produce steam, the thermoblock in that side of the machine needs to get up to temperature. Once it does that, water is going to get pulled from the water tank, going to the bottom of the machine, going to the side, into the water pump, out from the water pump to the flow generator, into the thermoblock, from the thermoblock to a valve, and from that valve to this one over here, to this knob, and then the steamer. You can see steam coming out of the machine, working excellent, with great pressure, looks perfectly fine, working great. So there you have it, Jura Capresso Impressa F7 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.